Welcome to Asia Education Digest, your gateway to knowledge, insight, and opportunities to excel in this dynamic world. Whether you're a student, an institution, a professional, or someone reimagining their career, Asia Education Digest is tailored to meet your needs. Students find their guide in this new age digital magazine to explore courses designed for the future, discover career pathways in emerging fields, know about scholarships, and receive expert advice on choosing the right direction to achieve your academic and professional goals. Higher educational institutions from across the world find place of prominence here, and students find you and your future-ready courses that prepare them for a rewarding and fulfilling career. Our innovative platform connects institutions to ambitious learners. Professionals, stay ahead of the curve with the latest market trends, technologies, and growth strategies. With this next-generation learning hub, you'll find in-depth reports, expert analysis, and tools to upgrade your professional skills and exercises, career guidance and suggestions from mentors, and strategies to expand your horizons and reach new heights. Visit us to find eminent educators and industry experts sharing exclusive insights and their views, and discover them addressing concerns in freewheeling conversations. Ready for a second act? Retired professionals can explore countless options to reignite their careers or dive into a brand new field. Whether it's consulting, entrepreneurship, or the exciting world of teaching and traveling, Asia Education Digest provides you with the guidance and opportunities to make your next move. Get exclusive access to stories of students who are making waves and know more about groundbreaking innovators. Discover achievements that will inspire you to push your boundaries and innovations that will reaffirm your faith in the unseen potential of the human mind. Receive career advice and connect with thought leaders to help you solve professional challenges and navigate your career to success. Join a global community of learners, innovators, and achievers. Discover how Asia Education Digest can open doors for you. Visit to explore endless possibilities at asiaeducationconclave.com.